How does clariti one day exemplify the CooperVision difference? And why is it important to your business? Let's take a quick look. Following our acquisition of Softlon in 2014, clariti one day sphere, toric and multifocal became part of the CooperVision family. Today, clariti one day has become a prime example of our commitment to quality and continuous improvement at CooperVision. That's because we've applied a whole host of winning strategies to the manufacturing of clariti one day, including $200 million of manufacturer investment since acquisition. That's just how CooperVision works. A standardized approach to quality matters around here. Like all contact lenses that are medical devices regulated by the FDA, manufacturing clariti one day takes extreme precision. The molds we build must be customized for millions of lens designs, types, and powers, all while remaining consistent every single time. Quality is critical to patient satisfaction and loyalty. It gets to the core of our customers' work. Here's how clariti one day has demonstrated our commitment to quality. Since bringing clariti one day into the CooperVision family, we've improved quality control, refined lot management, plus 100% of our workforce is trained in Lean Six Sigma, from shop floor associates to quality and process engineers. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques guarantee the visual quality of every single CooperVision lens, totaling more than 3 billion lenses per year, including hundreds of millions of clariti one day lenses. In fact, clariti one day has seen a 227% jump in annual manufacture capacity since our acquisition. We've achieved breakthroughs in optical and tooling design, like the contact lens molding process that yields a feather edge design, which offers improved initial comfort versus the original edge design. Not to mention one that's accurate and repeatable. And you can see it in the brand's success. In fact, 85% of patients surveyed were satisfied with clariti one day. This is also reflected in clariti's market acceptance and significant sales growth. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what ECPs have to say about prescribing clariti one day.
So I think clariti just has a number of wonderful features. I mean, in general, the family of lenses, the comfort of the lens is fantastic. The price point is great. I mean, it's a really, really comfortable lens at an entry-level price point that I think any daily disposable patient it works for.
Thanks for your business. CooperVision works hard every day to deliver quality contact lenses and to get improved products to market faster. With partners like you, the future is bright.